Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to write another Java program. So let's get started. Till now we only discussed about user defined some defined values. So today we are going to create our program where we use user input. So let's get started. So today we'll create a program for sum of two numbers. So let's create our file sum of two numbers. Okay, let's add public static void main here. String arguments. Okay, we'll use scanner for user input. Scanner object is equal to new scanner and system dot in. So this system dot in is used for user input. Let's create another variables integer a comma b comma c. Okay, let's take user input. A is equal to scanner dot next int and b is equal to scanner dot next int. So this next int we use for get input from user. So c is equal to a plus b. System.out.println will use to output our result, sum of our program. Sum of two numbers is and double quotation plus c. Let's run it. Okay, yeah, compiled and we got our console. Let's input 4 and 5 and the result is 9. Okay, but there is no user message like we need to enter a number or what. So let's add a message here. We'll use system.out.println to show a message to user. System.out.println will use enter first number. Okay, and for the another variable same system.out.println enter second number. Okay, let's try this again. Okay, yeah, now we received a message enter first number. So let's enter the first number 6 and 9. So the result is 15, but it's showing sum of two numbers. So let's add our input numbers like 6 and 9. So we'll remove the sum of two numbers and enter a plus for concatenation, and inside double quotation we use plus to show as a message, plus and plus b and again plus and equal to in double quotation for concatenation. And let's try this again. Okay, let's first enter first number 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 equal to 10. So that's our program. Thank you. We'll connect again.